Welcome to the video tutorial for the ReplyReviews Chrome extension. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to install the extension. Start by navigating to ReplyReviews.com. Once the website loads, click on the Download Chrome Extension button, which will take you to the extensions page on the Chrome Web Store. There, click on Add to Chrome followed by Add Extension. You'll see the extension install onto your computer. Look at the top right corner of your browser, find the Chrome extension icon, and pin it to your browser for easy access. Next, you'll need to create an account. Enter your name, email, and choose a password. After filling out these details, click Register. A success message will appear once your registration is complete. Now log in and re-enter the email and password you used for registration and click Login. Now, the Chrome extension is ready for you to use. Enjoy!